The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hola, muy buenos días a todos. Gracias por asistir a esta sesión de webinar. En esta ocasión hablaremos de los terminales SIP Phones y SIP Intercoms de Fanvil. Está con nosotros Linda Yang, Business Manager de Fanvil, quien dará la presentación. Pueden hacer las preguntas que ustedes deseen durante la sesión en la parte del chat y vamos a responderlas al final de la presentación en una pequeña sección de preguntas y respuestas. Hi, Linda.
Hi. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor to be here today to give you this webinar. My name is Linda Yang from Fanvil. I'd like to talk about our industrial products, the SIP Intercom and the door phones today. Thanks you join us. Okay, today we got our engineer, Mr. William and Mr. Jack here. If you have any questions about our products, please feel free to discuss with us. Thank you. Okay, please look at the PowerPoint and we can start from the first part. Today, my topic would have 4 points. The first would be overview of SIP Intercom, overview of industrial products and why Fanvil made such products, and then how is our product's application. And the next is our product comparison and our company view for such kind of products. Okay, let's start from first beginning part. From the first beginning, you can see the evolution process for industrial products, the intercom and the door phone. The first generation is analog intercom, and the second is semi-digit. The third part is IP intercom, and the last one is SIP intercom. You can see below have some features for each generation products. The last one, SIP intercom, is what we are doing right now. You can see most Fanvil products, all Fanvil products, the intercom and door phones based standard SIP, and the audio is standard Z.711, and the video is standard H720p. And for maintenance, it's a large-scale networking based on cloud. Okay, from this part, you can see such kind of technology is improved a lot, and right now Fanvil is doing the high level according to the industrial standard. Okay, you may think about why Fanvil launched such industrial products. There have 3 main reasons. The first one is good timing. The second is mature technology based on our R&D team. And the last one is great demands from customers. Okay, let's see the details one by one. First, we see good timing because right now, unified telecommunication is the main trend of the industry. Then the general trade for such kind of products, the intercom and voice integration is industrial communication development. The SIP technology combination with industrial communication promote rapid development of market economy. From the below network, you can see all of such standard equipment, based on SIP, can work together with each other very easily. For example, SIP door phones, 3G, 4G SIP interphone, and the mobile phone based on SIP software terminal, and the SIP video conference, SIP camera, and the smart gateway, also some video IP phone, and SIP intercoms. All of them can be combined as a cloud to work together and provide work efficiency to end users. Thank you. From the right part, you can see the global UC development trend and how is the marketing forecast from the 2012 to 2017. The number is increased a lot and rapidly. Oh. The second is the mature technology. Fanvil accumulated profound technology. We have more than 13 years experience on VoIP product developing and many years research and accumulation in the audio and video technology, networking communication technology, and multimedia technology. The second point is reliability demonstration. Right now, we have many successful deployment with millions of VoIP products. Also, we have 2 years reliable operation with tens of thousands industrial products. Yeah, this point means for the industrial products, Intercom and door phone, we did a lot of OEM and branding right now in the global market. And HD sound compliance with industrial regulation. The standard TIA Line 20 and HD voice. Our video door phone and intercom supports 720p HD voice codec for both-way communication. Okay, channel building. Right now, Fanvil have a mature channel network in the global market. Quality position. We are persuaded for high quality. Our target is to be lower repair rate in such kind of products. The below is all of our products. Voice IP phone, multimedia video IP phone, and then it's the safe intercom and door phones. That's our industrial products. Okay, the last reason is great demands. Right now, we can see for the industrial, we got many customers leads for such kind of products especially for the security control. Okay, we can see one by one. First, it's HD audio video service. And right now, our products support HD voice and HD video. This point, this technology, we can meet customers' HD needs. And the second is save investment cost. This point also, you can see our technology. All of our industrial products have standard protocol and the huge industrial chain support. System integration cost is very low for customers' application. The third is rapid deployment. The products can work based on internet, also supports automatic configuration. It's very easy for the customers to use these products. The fourth is improve efficiency. This one is very important for the customers. Yeah, okay. You can see our computer networks, internal communication and multiple with telephone network realize the voice and video stream. Information flow is seamless duct, improve communication efficiency for all the end users. The fifth is simple maintenance. Our industrial technology supports software auto application, support TR06 line, provide remote web maintenance. The last one, but not least, the standard protocol based on cloud service infrastructure and compatible with different brands and terminals. From the last page, you can understand what's the meaning of this point. Most of the standard SIP devices can be combined and work together with each other. That means seamless expansion. Okay, from this page, you can see all of our products. This is our whole product portfolio, from the basic door phone to high level. From the basic level to high level, the last year we got 3 models. That's the basic door phone and intercom and advanced door phone. And this year we have a basic intercom and right now video intercom and also the video door phones i31. You may have some questions where such kind of products can be used. Now I'm gonna introduce some applications scenarios to you. SIP door phones can be used for enterprise villa access control and also smart communication intercom clouds. The SIP intercom can be used for safe city, highway intercom, prison intercom, factories intercom and broadcast, also bank emergency intercom, and also school intercom and broadcast. Yeah, also can be used for school, for hospital intercom. Yeah, the first page is about how such products can be used for smart communication management control. You can see the products can be used at the door phones can be used at the building gate and also collect with the cloud and with the IP phones, and also for each house gate they can they can set with this model, and also at their home have such IP phone and collect with their iPad and mobile phone, and then they can do the security and access control very easily. For example, their iPad or their mobile phone can receive the call from the building and to see who is their visitors, and they can decide whether to open the door for the visitor or no. This one shows how our products can be used for the financial system. From this page, you can see the whole network, how these products work together with the IP SIP cameras and also the log and the vibration sensor, infrared sensor, and the IP phones, and then collect together with the management control center. For example, someone goes to withdraw money at the ATM parts and meet some gangsters, and then the people can make a call, can make emergency call to the management control center and ask for help. If the management center see some gangsters around the ATM, also they can broadcast to remind the people who are withdraw money. This is the real applications for the bank rooms. Also, this model can do synchronize record and video for the future supervising or inquiry. Okay, this one shows how such products used for the safe city. It can work together with safe intercoms and worked on the safe roads. If some citizens on the street they meet some gangsters, they can try to make emergency call with such kind of products and even make emergency call to the police center to ask help. Also, the similar serials like the first page. If the police center do the monitoring with such camera to see some citizens on the street meet some gangster or robber, they can also do some broadcast to portray the gangsters. This one shows how such intercom and door phones used for the hospital. Each patient room and the bed can be used with such intercom. When the patient or caretakers need service, they can call to the nurse center by the intercoms. The nurse then can monitor the patient's condition through the desk phone of their terminal. This is very important for the patients. If they got some uncomfortable, dizzy, and then they can make a call quickly to ask help from the doctor and nurse. This one shows how such products can be used for metro application. And this one shows how such products are used for the prison. Okay, for this one, when some emergency happens in prison, you can contact the control room and talk directly. If a no answer from the control room, it will automatically transfer to the general control center. The general control center has full function of the control room, and the products support video and audio monitoring at any times. This one shows how this intercom and door phone used for the enterprise. The door phones worked at the gate of the intercom. Worked at the gate of the company. If some visitors or the employees need to enter into the company, they got the 3 ways to open the door. Use the password to press on the keypad. Also use the RFID card. Can censor here this area. Also they can make a call through the speedy dial keypad here to make a call inside and ask someone to open the door for them. If someone on their desk, if someone not answer the call for the visitors, no problem. Such kind of calling can be transferred to another, or also can be transferred to their mobile phone. It's very convenient. Okay, this one we're gonna show you some complication about our products and compared with different friends companies like 2N, iPhone, several data in the global market. We can choose someone to review. For example, HD video, Fanvil I31, the advanced SIP intercom support HD 720p standard video codec, and for the working temperature range, Fanvil can reach to the very high level at most 70 degrees. That means for some special industrial working environment like the miner, factory, they need such products works well at such temperature. It's very hard for the people to work over there to do some monitoring and security control, but such products can replace them to do this work. Also, for the HD voice, Fanvil is standard Z.722, and also the TF card recording, both for the video and voice for the future supervising and inquiry. We also support it. You can see most of the brands, they cannot support such standard codecs. Okay, this one status graphic instruction also very special for Fanvil products. The i31, the video door phone have such features, highlights. When the product is booting and connect with the network and make calls, it have different icon to show how these products are working situation right now, to show you whether the product works well or the network is okay right now. You can see this is also very special. Most of the brands in the market right now cannot support it. And also Fanvil Intercom and door phones supports auto provision via DHCP or TR06 line and SIP PMP. This is unique features for our products. So from this comparison, you can see Fanvil products have their own highlights and unique design, and the quality is quite good. So we have the confidence that our products can be satisfied and the real needs for our customers. Hi. Okay, this one is our vision. Why first, in the first part, we introduced why Fanvil do such products, and now is our future. Our future is vision to be top leading key player in industrial manufacturing, and set SIP industrial application ecosystem with more enterprises. The whole networking shows what our dream in the future. We hope our products can be used not just as intercom security, also for the health, and also for some proprietary and others, or just based on the cloud ecosystems. Okay. That's all. In conclusion, we have the confidence that our SIP intercom and door phones will be much beneficial for you and your customers. Yeah. Okay. Thanks everybody. Thanks your support. Any questions, you can feel free to discuss with us.
Si hay alguna pregunta tanto técnica como comercial de la sesión, la pueden poner en la sección de preguntas y la vamos a responder en unos minutos.
If we got more time, I would like to introduce one of our products as an example to show you the details, features, and
Okay.
Yeah, and how they network. Okay, this is our advanced SIP intercom i18. This is the highlights of this model. It supports the all the standard industrial protocols and the features. For example, IP65 and IK10. That means this model is waterproof, dustproof, and vandal-proof. and it's standard SIP protocol and supports HD video codec, that is H720p, and also the HD voice G.720, and also have two input decade ports and two output control ports, and also support tamper-proof and video and voice record, and also it is PoE supportive. Okay, let's see the details one by one. This is the highlights of this model. Firstly, you can see there have two pictures on the left part of the page. The first one is I1801 and the second is I1802. Most of the functionalities are the same, but you can see the difference, the main difference. The first one with one DSS key, the second one with two. Okay, let's see the details here. Two high sensitive microphones with echo cancellation and reduce of background noise. 3 watts speaker for loud environments working, and also water, dust, and tamper-proof. That is what IP65 and IK10 certified. And also for the DSS key keypad here, we have the palette for each of the keypads. And also these models are have a temper switch. That means if someone wants to destroy or open the devices without good purpose, and then this model will make alarm and to let the control center know what happened for this working area. And also for the camera, it is infrared light here. So that is a light viewing color camera and viewing angle 120. It works well at light and can see who is doing the intercom right now in front of this model, and the picture is very good, just like the daylight. And also it's integrated electric switch replay for output control. The basic functions of this video intercom is press the core key here, the palisade core target in the terminal, and it's 4 duplex video intercoms. And the video and voice can be recorded because this model have a TF card built in. The video make the device make the video and voice record. It is very good for the future management to review what happened during that time. And also it is tamper-proof. With tamper detection interface, it prevents malicious tampering and destroy. This point I have introduced just now. And the last second, input detect and output control. This one we're gonna show you as a clear network later. The last one is collect active speaker. The terminal can be connected with the active speaker to play background music support, and the voice support HD G.720 video. That means there, for the bottom of these devices, there have some speaker and can connect with additional loudspeakers to do some broadcasting. For example, to use it for the school, airports, and the subway. This is a peripheral collection for this model. You can see what we are introduced just now for the main two input ports here, and also two output ports. For the input ports, we can connect with some infrared sensor and also magnetic sensor and also vibration sensor and emergency button. For example, if such kind of intercom worked for the bank, and some people go to withdraw money or to do transaction in the bank, and when they work close to the bank, the infrared sensor can sense who is gonna visiting the bank, and then can make alarm to let the bank workers know who is coming. And also, if for this kind of devices, this function connect with the emergency button. For example, still in the bank, if some gangsters go to do some evil in the bank, and the bank workers, it's hard to get to press the keypad here to make an emergency call to the police. But don't worry, there have another port. It can connect with the emergency button at some areas, like their desk below area, and they can go to such area to make the call. Just press this button, and then the policeman will know what happened here, because this model is video supportive and can do the monitoring. And also it supports the active speaker built-in amplifier. That is what I mean. If this model supports 3 watts for the audio. If it worked for the special area, such as airports and the metro and the subway and the school, then they need to do loudspeaker and broadcasting, and then they just use this additional active speaker can support this function. And also, this model have a temper switch support by itself. If someone want to open and destroy the devices here, and then it will make alarm to let the management and the workers know who is gonna destroy here. And also it supports the lock here. If someone gonna visiting the working area, and the infrared sensor who is visiting, and then the lock can get the indication from the sensor, and the door can be opened by itself automatically. And also this model supports TF card. That means it can do the video and voice recording for the future reviewing and supervising. This is the basic networking diagrams. This model collected with the IP PBX, and then collected with IP phone and the PC and the mobile SIP-soft phone, and then they can make calls and do the security control very easily. Okay, this is just the whole features for this model. You can see one by one. microphone, 2 microphone, and 3 watts loudspeaker, and noise reduction. Yeah, so this model means it's a standard intercom. It can work for some noise environment like the factory and the station or the airport. They can do the calling very clearly without the noise, because the noise has reduced by the model. And the audio is standard codec, or such standard can be supportive. And the camera is high resolution. It's 1M coms, and it viewed 120 angle, and it has infrared light. It can works well in the light working area, and also the video is the video codec is 8.26.3 and plus and 26.4. Yeah, the resolution is standard at most 720p HD. This one is an intercom, not a door phone, so of course it allows support the card. And the power supply is both power adapter and PoE supportive. And two input detect port and output control ports, what we have saw from the previous networking. And the devices, the hardware is it's very good material based on aluminum alloy. It's a very good, like just not like other brands, the plastic and the metal. This is very high level for the industrial products. And the working temperature range is from 40 degrees below zero to the at most 70 degrees. It's very good for the special working areas. And for this last point is very important because it has 2 versions. One is the wall-mounted version, and another is flush mounting. It can be put inside the wall and also can hang on the wall. The last is the protection level, standard in the industrial, IP65 and IK10. That's all. Thanks very much. Yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to discuss with us right now, because our engineers, Mr. William and Jack, they join us here and want to hear your voice and your feedback about our products. Thank you.
Thank you, Linda. I have a couple of questions here. One, does the Fanvil IP phone doors intercom support H323 or IAX2?
Sorry, could you please speak a little bit slower?
Okay, see. Does the Fanvil IP downforce or intercom support H323 or IAX2?
IAX2?
Yes.
Yeah, right now, such kind of products don't support IAX2 because this functionality is very special, and from the global market, we got very few leads from customers. And that's why we prefer not to put this functionality for our products.
Okay.
Yeah, did I answer your question?
Yeah, sure, thank you. And where can we download new firmware for the i21T?
Sorry?
Where can we download new firmware for the i21T?
i21T?
Yeah.
I think this firmware can be downloaded from our official website. if you failed to download from the website, please send us email. We will send you directly. Because right now we got the new model that is I-23. Let me the details here. Okay, from this table you can see all of our models for the full product portfolio, from the basic I-20T and I-23 and the high level I-31. For the future I-20T, that will be stopped because right now we got this new model I-33. You can compare both two models. All of the functionalities I-33 are much better and auto providing for the I-20T. Yeah, we hope in the future you can you can take this model and test and compare with the previous model, which one is better and suitable for you. Yeah, and for sure, right now we should support you the current leads, and we need to send you the new firmware. Thank you.
Thank you, Linda. That's all the question for now. Feel free to ask another question or technical question to Fanvil, directly to Linda, linda.yang@fanvil.com. And thank you for your time, Linda. Muchísimas gracias a todos. No sé si tienen alguna pregunta, siéntanse libres de mandar todas las preguntas técnicas o comerciales a Linda Yang. Es linda.yang@fanvil.com. Linda, do you have something else to say or?
Okay. Just hope you can understand easily. Right now, except the first, except the basic I-20T model, all of such models support the standard IP65 and IK10. And for the door phones, they have two versions. One is sorry, not just the door phone, and also the I-18, the Intercom, have two versions. One is wall mounted, and another is flash mounted. And also, if your projects with Intercom have complicated leads, the models of Intercom have two key buttons can support you in the future. Yeah. That's just I'm going to make clear. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Linda. Thank you, all assistants, for your time.
Thanks, everybody. Yeah. Thanks your support for Fanvil.
Muchísimas gracias a todos los asistentes por haber tomado este webinar. Por la tarde van a recibir las últimas dos presentaciones que se compartieron y la grabación de esta sesión. Muchísimas gracias. Que tengan un buen día. Thank you, Linda.
Thank you. See you next time.